Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add chart in Canva. To add chart in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in the home page of Canva, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and create a new design. You can also open up an existing design where you want to add the chart. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a blank canvas. After you have the canvas open on the screen, tap on Elements at the bottom. Inside Elements, go to the search box at the top and then from the Browse Categories section, tap on Charts. You will be able to find different type of charts such as bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and more. Browse the available chart option and select the one that suits your design and data needs. You will find several chart styles to choose from. After selecting a chart option, this will automatically be added to your design. Now you can customize your chart by editing your data from the options available at the bottom. A table will appear where you can enter your data manually. You can add categories and values to customize your chart. You can also adjust the chart's appearance by changing the colors. Select your chart from the screen and choose the color you would like to use. Resize the charts by going ahead and clicking on it and dragging its edges along the screen. Make sure the corners fit into your design. You can also edit the levels on the axis in the chart legend by clicking on them directly. This will allow you to provide more context to your data. And that is how you can easily create or add charts in your Canva design. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.